Compared sa shooting range, mas na-enjoy ko tong airsoft target shooting. Hey friends, nagpunta kami sa Makati Cinema Square to try out Nano Airsoft Target Shooting. May iba-iba silang packages, so we got two different ones, the Assassin and Mr. J-Wick. Tapos nag-share-share na lang kami. Safety goggles first, tapos syempre, their staff will teach and guide you all throughout. Nauna muna si Lovie kasi medyo natatakot pa ako. Actually, nung time ko na medyo nag-hesitate pa ako, but ayun, on the third shot, nakatama agad ako ng target and definitely na-enjoy ko siya kaagad. Compared kasi sa actual gun, mas mahina yung sound and recoil niya, plus mas mabilis makahit ng target dito. Yung pistol yung talagang na-enjoy ko, yung others not as much. Yung pistol has 3 magazines each, then the sniper and rifle naman has 2 magazines each. Tapos may isa pang magazine per package. This was enough na for us, pero you can buy extra. Si kuya naman na nag-guide sa amin, super nice and patient, tapos nag-volunteer siyang mag-video and picture sa amin. Ayun lang, sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Try nyo na rin, tapos kain kayo sa Aidas after. That's it friends, bye!